is Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here. So this was a requested video. This is the exact makeup which I did in my skincare routine video. This was the makeup I was wearing that day, and this is the same makeup which I was wearing in my previous vlog. If you haven't seen the vlog, this is the vlog about me visiting my FM's office and me being on air. If you don't know about that, I was really very nervous that day, and this is the exact same dress. This is a t-shirt dress, by the way. Here is a picture of it that I wore that day, and a lot of you guys were asking me where is it from. So this is by the brand Oxolloxo from Magique.com. I will put some links in the description box. You won't be able to find the exact same dress because this is out of stock, but this is available in different print, so please check the description box for that. So as requested by you guys, I'm doing this video, so let's just quickly see this tutorial. Okay, so I'm starting off with MAC Prep and Prime primer to prime my face. Before that, I've already applied aloe vera gel and sunscreen all over my face. I'm slightly dragging the product and pressing the product into my skin to make the process faster, otherwise you can just leave it for 5 minutes or so. For concealer, I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magique in the shade C5. This is slightly darker to my skin tone, so this is not only good for color correcting but also cancelling out any pigmentation that I have all over my face, that is under my eyes and around my lips. And not only that, because this is a mattifying foundation, so you do not need to set your face with some compact powder or loose powder because this will do the job there. And for rest of my face, I'm using Nykaa SKINgenius foundation in the shade True Tan 04. This is such a beautiful dewy finish foundation. This can give you medium to high coverage, and this looks like my skin but better on me. That's why I love this foundation. And because I was going for a dewy finish look, so I skipped setting my face with any compact powder or loose powder. To define my eyebrows, I'm using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. This comes in 4 shades, and I'm not quite used to this product, to be very honest. So I started off with combing my hair with the spoolie side and then filled the gaps in my eyebrows with the product side. I kind of messed it here, you can see that, but later when I was done with the eye makeup, I cleared out all the mess, guys, so everything was sorted. So whenever I go for everyday wing eyeliner look, I kind of stick to one eye color for the entire eyelid. So I'm picking up this maroon shade from Lakme Illuminating French Rose palette. This is my favorite palette, guys. So I blended the color with the help of my fingers, and here you can see that I kind of corrected the mistake which I did earlier with the eyebrows, so they kind of look okay, right guys? Okay. Now here comes the inception part of this tutorial, that is wing eyeliner ka tutorial in this tutorial. So you guys asked for it, so here it is. I'm going to break this into 2 parts here. First, I will draw the line. I'm using the Super Liner pen by L'Oreal. I decide the thickness of the liner then and there, how thick I want the liner to be, and the next part I'm going to draw the wing. For that, I'm kind of creating a small imaginary C there, you guys can see that, because I wanted the liner to be flicked out a bit, so that's why I'm creating a C kind of a liner there. And once I've decided where I want the liner to be, I will place the product there and create a C, and then draw the triangle and fill in the triangle, and I will repeat the entire step to the other side of my eyes. And that's how I like to do my wing eyeliner, and that's the entire tutorial for you again, how to draw a wing eyeliner. So now when I look straight into the mirror, my eyeliners should look like sisters and they should not look like twins, because this is not possible for me, and they should be slightly curved and flicked out because that's how I've been liking my eyeliners lately. So with the help of a pencil brush by Color Bar, I'm defining my lower lash line with maroon color from Lakme Illuminating Palette. So with the help of a PAC eyelash curler, I'm curling the eyelashes of mine, and then moving on with the mascara. This is Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline New York. This is their waterproof version. I kind of like to tilt my head and then apply the mascara. This is such a beautiful mascara, guys. This will give you volume and separates your eyelashes, which I kind of like nowadays. I like to take my own time to apply the mascara, and when I'm happy with both of the sides, I like to go with the lower lashes and then apply the mascara there. Here again, I'm taking my own time to apply the mascara, and that completes the eye makeup look. So remember I told you I was going for a dewy finish look, so I'm using a liquid highlighter by L'Oreal. This is their True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator Prime and Highlight. Such a beautiful golden color this is. So because this product dries out immediately, so I'm just going to apply this on the places where I want to apply this. That is the highest point of my face, my cheekbone areas, and going to blend it then and there. And then moving on to eyebrow arc area, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and just above the eyebrows you can see there, and on my chin. So this gives you that inner glow look. I think I've said this before in my previous videos, but I stand by to it, guys. This is such a beautiful highlighter. Look at this, my face is glowing. I love this highlighter so much, and whatever product is left in my fingers, I'm highlighting my collarbones with it. So for contouring my face, I'm using Freedom Pro Contour Palette in the shade Medium 02. I need to buy a new contour palette, I guess, because I've been using this forever, I guess. And I'm using a brush to contour my face. This is an angled shape brush, because when you place the brush on your face, this kind of picks up the right product and carves your face nicely, so your face looks contoured properly. So that is why I like to use this brush nowadays. And I'm using the tip of the brush to contour my nose, and then later moving on to blush. For blush, I'm using my current favorite blush. This is by Essence. Such a pretty peachy color. This is good for everyday wear, and I'm applying the brush with the help of a Color Bar blush brush. On my lips, I'm using Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 55. This was in my top 5 nude lipstick video, which you guys love. This is such a beautiful pinky nude color, good for everyday wear. I really like the formulation of this lip creams. And at last, I will finish off the makeup with some Fix Plus by M.A.C, and with that, we have completed this tutorial. So that's it for today's video, guys, and as I always say, I hope you learned something from this video. I'm not at all a professional or a makeup artist. You know, I just love makeup, and this is something I've been doing for ages, not ages, for years. Makeup मैंने सिर्फ YouTube videos देख के ही सीखा है, guys, and mistakes कर करके सीखा है. So this is what I've been doing all those years, maybe past 5 years or so. So yes, for more of such videos in future, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. We are so close to hit 25k subscribers, which I'm really very excited about. Yes, if you want to, you can share this video. Make sure you like this video, guys, and comment down below telling me what's your favorite thing about my channel, because I really want to know that. Or you can comment on anything you want to, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.